Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now we are on our way to a dinner, inshallah, and it's a bit traffic, so I just want to make a video because I've been seeing a lot of comments again. Nandito po tayo sa bansa kung saan marami pong perfecto. Astagfirullah. Maraming perfect and maraming nagja-judge. So the thing that I can say and I can share with you guys based on my experience, because to those who knows me, like from before, like I've been in the social media for too much long time already, and I saw a lot of hateful messages, comments, everything. I saw a lot of good things also, but the thing right now in social media is that everyone is like feeling entitled actually to just say things towards someone. Okay, so whether you do things, people will comment a lot of things, and if you are not doing anything about it, they will say a lot of things as well. So why not just be yourself? We are all mostly some of the people is actually grown up, and we are for sure familiar with what are the things that can harm us and what are the things that is good for us. So it's better to always choose yourself, do the right thing, just continue with the right path, straight path, inshallah, and then everything will be okay. And don't mind those people who saying bad things about you. And to all my brothers and sisters in Islam, I'd like to say thank you to those who's of course trying to guide our brothers and sisters as well, by not trying to intimidate or humiliate them in social media. So let's try to be nice with everybody, no? Alam ko namang wala namang perfecto, no? Walang perfectong tao, but just trying to be nice and kind, that will do a lot of good things for you, inshallah. Pumasarap.